telecom companies are looking at going down the path of using their data in a better way, the quickest wins I would advise is looking at customer acquisition, optimizing that process, and looking at your entire churn aspect of the business itself, which is a big downpour on the telco. So by analyzing the data correctly, you can increase retention, reduce churn, you can optimize your customer acquisition, so reduce costs there, and eventually just become more profitable as an organization, which allows you to have more funds to do the fun stuff. Starting the journey with AI is a very tricky aspect because when people are looking at digital transformation, they think technology is going to fix everything and let's bring in AI and it's going to fix everything. It starts with people. So people, process, and then technology. So identifying the right person and bringing that person in, that's very, very important, and making sure from a top-down level that they understand that there's a transformation that's taking place. Second is breaking down the data silos and making sure that from a department level or country-wide level that data is now shared. Next thing is identifying and mapping the processes within the company. How do different systems work and how do different systems interact with each other? Then it's identifying what data sets are available and where do these data sit. Is it in the cloud? Is it on-prem? Is it off-prem? Where is it sitting? And what is this data? How do you categorize it? How do you map it? Once you've got all of this, they can figure out what's the clean part of this data that you're going to use instead of looking at everything and then dumping it in a data swamp now and hoping that there's some insights, amazing insights that will be drawn out because you put it into a data swamp. You've got to go through these processes before you start analyzing that information. And don't give it to your data scientists, give it to your data engineers, which is what they do. If you give up a lot of the cleaning up of the data to your data scientists, they will quit. When you're looking at going down the path of artificial intelligence, making sure you get the right team in place is very, very important. Just going out and hiring a lot of data scientists and hoping that that's actually going to solve your problem actually doesn't. So understanding what your output, what are you looking to achieve first? And then from a team formation, you look at normally one data scientist for about 3 to 4 data engineers, and then you accompany this with machine learning engineer as well. So this is the sort of a team size that you look at, and then you start growing it from there. From an artificial intelligence perspective, from a data scientist, making sure that they have got some sort of understanding in human psychology, it would help a lot. Because if you're building models that understand consumers, well, they need to understand how consumers think in the first place.